5 best food for hormone balance. For any man that want to balance his hormone, he need to take these 5 balancing food for hormone. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the 5 best food for hormone balancing. So thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching this video. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, do well to join this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell to get notification each time I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Now, for any man that want to balance his hormone, he need good food to achieve this. He need to eat fruits and vegetables that will help him to boost up his immune system. And when a man's immune system is in the perfect state, that is when he will perform well as a man. So for you to get your immune system to be in a perfect state, please, you need to take these 5 best food that I want to share in this video. This food will help you to boost up your sperm count. They will help you to boost up your immunity and also help you to balance hormone. Now, but what is hormone balancing? Hormone balancing is when your hormone is not high or is not low. Hormones like estrogen, testosterone, all these hormones will help you as a man to perform well. So the food are, number 1 is avocado pear. Yes, for every man that want to perform well, want to balance his hormone, he need to consume a lot of avocado pear. Avocado pear is a food that will help a man to improve his fertility and also help you to balance your hormone as a man. Number 2 food you need is pineapple. Yes, pineapple is also a very nice food for men that want to balance his hormone. Pineapple will help you to get a lot of vitamins, help you to replace wounded tissues, and also help you to be in the perfect state of health. Pineapple also get antioxidants that will improve your health and also help you to eliminate some toxic materials or toxic fluid in your body system. Number 3 is apple. Yes, everyone knows apple. It contains a lot of vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin K, and also contain water. This water will also help you to improve your blood flow and blood circulation. So consume apple as much as you can. The more you consume apple, the more it helps you to boost up your immunity, increase your sperm count, and improve your fertility as a man. Not only this, apple will help you to balance your hormone as a man. Now, number 4 is soursop. Yes, soursop. Soursop is a very nice food for men that want to balance his hormone as fast as possible. This soursop will improve the quality of your sperm and also improve your performance as a man. This soursop contains a lot of vitamins that will help to boost up your immunity, and vitamins that will also help you to be in the perfect state of health. So soursop is a very nice food for men that want to balance his hormone. Number 5 and the last is carrot. Yes, carrot is also another food for men that want to balance his hormone. Carrot contains a lot of water. A very big carrot contains 86% of water. And when you have enough water in your body system as a man, you will improve your blood flow. Your blood flow will be in the perfect state. Your fluid in your body system will flow more than you expect. And with this, you will perform well as a man. Remember, a good blood flow and fluid circulation in your body system will help you to disrupt or stop erectile dysfunction. So you need a good blood flow and blood circulation. And with this, you need carrot. And carrot will also help you to balance your hormone as a man. Not only for men that will consume all this, women can do. But for men that want to balance their hormone, they need these 5 best food that I came up with. Take them, consume them as much as you can to improve and balance your hormone. So this is all about today's video, and I believe that it will be of great value to you. Take them as much as you can and you will perform well as a man. If you never subscribe, do well to subscribe and turn on the bell to always get notification each time I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck and good performance as a man. Bye.